Hello students, welcome back in online learning platform. Today we will study class 7th geography, chapter number 7, human environment, settlement, transport and communication. Our topic is settlement. Settlements are places where people build their homes. Early human beings lived on trees and in caves. Okay, you can see here that some people were living on the branches of the trees. Okay, and some were living in the caves. Some were living in the caves. But when the people got knowledge and when they got idea, so they started growing crops and they learnt farming, and then they they started uh, making permanent houses. So when they started to grow crops, it became necessary to have a permanent home, because they were growing crops, and for keeping it, for preserving it for the future, they needed permanent settlements there. So that is, settlements grew near the river valleys, as water was available there, and land was fertile, so that they were doing farming there. And with the development of trade, commerce and manufacturing, human settlements became larger, and settlement flourished, and civilizations developed near the river valleys, because river valleys were fertile places and water was easily available. So these places developed there. Settlements can be divided into two parts. Okay, means permanent and second, temporary. So settlements can be divided into two parts: permanent settlement and temporary settlement. So settlements which are occupied for a short time, which that is called temporary settlement. Means if the people are living for short period of time or short periods, so that is called temporary settlement. So just like caves, on leaves, trees. So the people living in deep forest and hot and cold deserts, or in the mountains, in the mountaineer areas. So they are making temporary settlements there, and they practice hunting, gathering, sifting, cultivation and transhumance. So transhumance means what? Transhumance, this is a new term. Transhumance means seasonal movements of the people. So when the crop season or the fruit season will be available, so they are living at one place, and if that season is ended, so the people are leaving that place. That is called transhumance. So transhumance means seasonal movement of the people. So in these settlements, people build homes to live in. One new term was site. What is called site? The place where a building or a settlement develops, that is called site. Now the people are increasing, you can say population is increasing, and the people are making new settlements there, and so that they are using their basic usable things, or their basic necessity is vehicles and other things. And that is the reason the number of vehicles is increasing day by day, due to the growing of population in the cities. So the people are making settlements in village areas and city areas also, and many places are becoming congested. Okay, and so that you can understand two different settlements are seen everywhere. Okay, first is compact, and first is compact. Okay, and next is rural compact, and second is scattered. So you have to understand here that compact settlement is found in urban areas, and scattered settlement is found in village areas. Okay, so in compact settlement, the people are making their houses very means closely the people are making their houses, and their flat means they are making their houses in a very short distances. Okay, and in scattered settlement the people are giving spaces. Okay, so suppose that this is house. So in compact settlement the houses will be nearby this house. Okay, they are making buildings in that way. So bigger buildings are, but in scattered, if one house is here, so another house will be nearly 100 meter or 200 meter farther. So in this way this settlement is totally different. Okay, means compact settlements is very congested settlement, and scattered settlement is very calm and very spacious settlement. So in rural areas people are building houses to suit their environment, and so that they are making scattered settlements. But in urban areas the people are using a busy life and a busy schedule. They have a busy schedule, and very less spaces are found there, so that is they are making compact settlements there. So the towns are very small and cities are larger urban settlements. Okay, so in urban areas people are engaged in manufacturing, trading and services, and in village areas the people are involved in farming. So especially the thick mud walled houses with thatched roofs are very common in the areas where hot climatic condition is found, especially in the village areas. And local material like stone, mud, clay, straw, etc. are used to construct houses. So the places where water accumulates in rainy season, the houses are constructed on the raised platform on or stilt. Okay, means suppose that if they are making this house, so they are using pillars. Okay, suppose that a river is flowing there, so they are using pillars. So this type of houses is made on the bank of rivers. So you can say that in rural areas different houses can be seen there. But in the city areas you can see high buildings or skyscrapers. Skyscraper means tall buildings or high buildings. Next term is transport, and I will tell you in next video. Thank you.